Greetings and salutations, everybody. This is the Digital Drawing Fundamentals course. My name is Kirk Nelson, and I will be your captain and guide on this wonderful journey. I would ask that you keep your hands and arms safely tucked inside the boat as we disembark and continue on our journey. Please sit back, enjoy the ride. We're going to have some fun. So let's start by talking a little bit about what the purpose of this course is and what you can expect to learn from it. My intentions in this course is to expose you to the wide variety of available drawing tools, mostly found within Photoshop, with how to sort of get your feet wet and your hands dirty without actually doing either of those things by using the digital tools to draw by hand in a photo editing program. I know Photoshop is mostly used for photo manipulation, but it has a really good drawing engine behind it, and that's what we're going to explore. Now, you don't need to necessarily have any drawing experience beforehand, and we're going to go over some of the basic drawing skills that is required for digital drawing or traditional media drawing, or really any type of thing, the sort of global skills that you're going to sort of wrap your head around. And I'll guide you through some of those things, but with a new technology twist to it. So it's a modern version of an old school drawing program. Now, the course itself is broken up into 19 videos, and those videos are grouped into 5 main subject areas. The first of which is just an introduction and tools. We're already halfway through the first introduction video, so the second video in that first section is just the tools, where we'll talk about what it is that we're going to be using and what you really need to have at your disposal in order to complete this course. The second section of the course is building blocks of drawing. That will include lessons 3 through 7, where we'll talk about drawing technique, as in how to hold your stylus, which is really the digital pencil, and we'll talk about establishing structure, finding contours, looking at a value study, all the way up to sketching and how to capture shape and motion in just a few seconds. In the section known as Essential Skills, that includes videos 8 through 12, where we go from dealing with perspective, how to use vanishing points and creating true perspective in your drawings. We'll talk about light and shadow, how to calculate cast shadows, how to create texture within your drawings, and then even how to establish depth by different visual techniques. In our fourth section, we'll be dealing with composition and talking about how to compose your drawings and your designs, so that we discuss things like position, using negative space, and leading lines and focal point, and how to create a more interesting composition with the things that you draw. And then our fourth and final section is on digital techniques, where we will discuss how to use the digital tools to help you with your drawings with some quick effects, some digital helpers, and even a few techniques that can only be done digitally. So that's really just a quick overview of what you can expect to see in this course. I hope it's whetted your appetite or inspired you to at least check out the second lesson. So go ahead and take a look at that video where we'll dive into the different tools that we'll be using. See you then, guys.